Jesus didn't judge. He just sat there and waited for her. Jesus knows her story, but he offers dignity. I want to say this again, because we, for whatever reason, as church thought that we should just slam those people living in sin and tell them, you're so bad and God's going to judge you and you're going to go to hell, and whatever colorful pictures we use. What Jesus did here, he gave her dignity. She had shame and pain and judgment that she felt herself, and nowhere that Jesus condemned her, say, you bad person, you're going to rot in hell. No, he said, I'll give you living water. Just come to my well. He was sitting at her well, inviting her to his.